Hi guys, this is Grace, and this is another episode of K-Zone's unboxing / toy review video. Yay! Yay! So for this episode, we're reviewing HexBug Spider XL. Here's the HexBug Spider XL. It's slightly bigger remote control. You control it using these directional buttons, maneuvering the head like that. And this is for walking. So what makes it different from the other HexBug critter? It's almost 3 times bigger than the original HexBug Spider. Yeah. Almost 4 to 5 times bigger than your ordinary HexBug critters. Yep. What makes it awesome? It retains its 360-degree steering action, like this. There. Wherever you turn its head, it will follow the direction. Yeah, diba? Like that. This technically complex RC toy has a semi-translucent body. See? Focus please. You can see the gears in pieces inside and observe it while it works. See that? So geeks like me will surely love admiring the parts and figuring out how they all work. Lastly, what's awesome about the HexBug Spider XL? It can actually walk. No hidden threads, no hidden wheels or whatever. So you can actually see it moving or walking wherever you want it to go. Ta-da! So that's it. Check out the HexBug Spider XL and more of our top toy picks in our smashing December issue.